Look at who is leaving Nairobi. This is one of the largest Kenya Airways owned flight. It's a Kenya Airways KQ114, a beautiful Boeing 787. Look at that magical as it jets out from Nairobi this midday of Saturday, the 23rd May 2026. It's registered under KQ114. It's a Dreamliner Boeing 787. Remember, Kenya Airways has nine Dreamliners. That is a 787. This is flying to Paris. It will be cruising to about 9,000 kilometers, and it should be taking about 10 hours, if I'm not wrong. Look at that magical bird as it jets out of Nairobi, carrying about 350 passengers. It's one of the largest in Africa, rivaling the Boeing 777 and the A350, owned by Ethiopian. This is Kenya Airways owned. It shall be burning about 44,000 tons. It shall be cruising about maximum of 500 knots, and it will be up in the sky to the maximum of 40,000 feet above the sea level. Look at that magical bird as it finds its way to cruise up the sky for about 8 to 9 hours, jetting to about 8,000 kilometers from Nairobi to Paris, the city of love. Enjoy your journey if you are on board this flight, and enjoy Paris. And if you are connecting all the very best to your final destination. Look at that magical bird as it cruises and finds its way to Paris. Bye Kenya Airways, see you soon when you're back in Nairobi. Bye Boeing 787. Look at how it's flying out of Nairobi. This is the Austria airline for aviation, heading to Paris. It's a Boeing 787 Dreamliner. Such a massive bird.